Hello all, this is the continuation of the previous video. So in the previous video itself, we would have said that we will work with the argument parse library, but we couldn't make it. So as the continuation video, we are making the details of the argument parse library. It is used to parsing command line arguments. For that, initially we are importing the library. This by importing the library, we will make use of the functions which we are have which this library is having. So first we are creating a parser. For that we are making use of the argument parser function library, and within that we are giving a description like it's a simple command line tool only. Then we are adding arguments within this argument parser. For that we are using the add argument function. We are adding only two arguments. For that we have used to add argument function two times. In the first add argument function, we are making use of a name argument, and we have given its type also. It should be in string, that is in str, and help. It should be, for example, it should be your name. Then in the second argument, we are giving the age argument, and its type also we have given. It should be integer, which is int, and help we are giving your age. Then we are working with this library. For that we are again importing a library called sys, and within this we are making use to simulate the command line argument by using script name, then John, and John is the name and 10 is the age. Now we are passing the command line arguments. For that we are making use of the parse arguments function, and finally we are accessing the arguments by using the print function, and within that we are calling hello, the argument's name, and then its age. Then you are this age function and years old. In this case we will display this output. So this is the details of argument parse function. Next we are going to see about iteration tools function. By this we are going to iterate functions for efficient looping. For that, initially we are importing the itertools import library. By this we can make use of all the functions which is having within this iterator tools. So we are making use of four examples. The first example, we are working with counting. For that we are making use of the count function within the iterator tools. For that we are making use of the start and step. So the chart what will do is it will make the counter to start at 1, and step 2 means after the counter will be increased by step 2. That is after 1 the counter will be increased by 3, 5, 7, etc. Since there is two step. Then we are making to print the first 5 counts. You may notice that the counter how it is increasing. So we can just make use of 3. So in that case you may notice that the counter will be increased by 3 times. So by this step we can increase the counter by different number of steps. As you wish you may change this. The print function is going to print this counter output. Then in the second example, we are making use of the Cartesian product, which is the combination of items. For that, first we are displaying, that is making some assignment with the two things, which is letters and numbers. We have letters and numbers. We are giving two. That is, for letters we are giving A and B. In numbers we are giving 1 and 2. In this Cartesian product, we are making use of the product library within the iterator tools, and we are calling this letters and numbers. Then we are printing the Cartesian product to make the list of the product. So what it will do means it will call a comma 1, a comma 2, then b comma 1, b comma 2. That is, it will make use of all the probabilities within this letters and numbers which we have given. So this is the example for Cartesian product. In the next example, we are generating combinations of a list. Combinations, you may know that NCR. So this, by using that function, we are NCR. If we are giving three data means it will create some three data only. So for that we are making use of the combinations function within the iterator tool and calling this data, and here we are making use, that is this 1 comma 2 we are making use, it should be combined within two times. So 1 comma 2 will combine, 1 comma 3 will combine, and 1 comma 1 it will not combine, because in combinations you may know that thing. Then the combinations of size 2 with the list combinations is given over here. If we give 3 means the output will change. Then within example 4 we are giving repeat items, and for that cycle we are making use of cycle function, and within that we are giving a list 1 comma 2 3 2 comma 3. So it will make you until how many cycles we are repeating, here we are making use of 9. So this 1 comma 3 comma 3 2 comma 3 it will be made use for 6 times. If we just change here to, sorry, 9 times, if you change here it to 6 means it will display to 6 times. So this is the use of the cycle function. Finally, this is the use of the iterator tools library. In the next video we will be working with some other library. Thank you.